really excited about this partnership with CHO Chocolate. Gone are the days of pink popcorn and things that our grandparents would expect when they came to the zoo. We now have a much more elevated food program.
So the Oakland Zoo bar started as like, what would we do if we wanted to do a collaboration with the CHO and the Oakland Zoo? And really, we went through all kinds of ideas. One of the conversations we had was with the zookeeper, and she actually confirmed that it's not just in the cartoons, but bears actually love blackberries and blueberries. And so that kind of set our course for looking at those as a flavor combination. So this bar is a 66% dark organic fair trade chocolate. It's loaded with blackberries and also just a touch of blueberries.
So what's really cool is Oakland Zoo has rescued these bears. They'd been brought together at a very young age, right when they were orphans, so they treat each other like adopted brothers. Berries is one of their favorite foods. They really love blackberries, blueberries, they'll eat raspberries, but they're gonna spend a lot of time on those berry bushes. It's one of their favorite foods, and bears can actually smell when fruit is ripe. So they're gonna be able to smell a couple miles away. So they're gonna travel to that bush and spend all day eating those berries and getting all those calories off it.
We're incredibly excited that a portion of the proceeds from the sale of this chocolate is coming back to the zoo. There's so much work here to be done, especially when it comes to the rescue and rehabilitation of animals. Could we imagine a better partnership together with the right values and the right goals to really create hope and joy, and no better way to do it through eating chocolate?